Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Maj, and for today's video, this is my 15th day na guys kay Crazy Dog. So i-update ko kayo kung mawi-withdraw ba natin yung 2,000. Sabi nila kasi na-withdraw nila yung kanilang 2,000. I think especially mga naunang makapaglaro neto guys. So let's see kung until now ba is we can still withdraw or still legit pa ba si Crazy Dog guys. So before we jump into it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and ring that notification bell so you always be updated sa aking mga upcoming videos and off the clock episode. And also stay tuned until the end of this video. Don't skip guys para wala kayo ma-miss na important na aking mga sabihin or important na kailangan nyong malaman guys. So let's see kung mawi-withdraw ba natin or may another task guys. So sabi naman ng iba is still legit at nakakapag-withdraw pa rin naman sila even doon sa kanilang coins. Okay, so now try natin guys kasi ito ang bilis mo maka 2,000. Of course malaking halaga yon, and then this is a free application and you need to watch video advertisement as well. So as you can see, pang 15th ano ko na siya, diba? Day ko na siya, so tapusin ko na sa level 341, and we also have 23,000 coins or equivalent to 23 pesos. So try din natin i-withdraw kung pwede sabay ba silang mawi-withdraw within this day guys. Kasi kadalasan yung iba kapag nakapag-withdraw ka today, hindi mo pwede ma-withdraw yung isa. So once a day lang, something like that, diba? Although kahit both sila is pwede mong kung kaya na-meet nyo na yung minimum of withdrawal, diba? So isa lang yung pwedeng yung mamimili lang talaga kayo. So we will see about that guys. So natapusin ko lang itong task kasi within 15 days you need to finish at 20 games. So ayan, so as much as possible hindi ako nanonood ng or nag-hint. Syempre dagdag kasi yun ng dagdag siya for watching advertisement, video advertisement, diba? Kasi meron ditong option na you need to watch at least 5 para matagdagan ang inyong coins. Actually yung coins nyo, you can withdraw siguro everyday ng 1 peso kung gusto nyo lang, kasi kapag kailangan nyo talaga laruin, parang kailangan nyo siya matapos. Kasi diba yung save the dog, at least 3 games siya, or paminsan 2 games or 1 game. It depends kasi yan. Paminsan kasi paulit-ulit lang naman yung mga level dito. I mean, yung paulit-ulit yung mga gagawin, pero iba't ibang level, para something like that. So, may easy, may medium, may hard, may super hard, something like that. Pag super hard I think na hindi kakayanin kasi syempre sa phone ko lang siya ginagawa. Mas okay siguro siya pag tablet, and medyo malaki kasi yung daliri ko. So paminsan nahihirapan ako kapag kasi kailangan hindi mo siya masangga, diba? So pag nasangga mo kasi siya, nag-stop, so pag start na, so something like that. Pero kapag super easy naman, yung kaya naman hindi panoorin yung mga video advertisement, nagpo-proceed naman ako. So yun lang, kasi kaya pag nag-try ka mag-hint tapos hindi mo pa rin magawa, so magununod ko ulit another para to the next level. Pero kasi may minimum silang, actually ngayon nga may pabilis na yung minimum nila na pwede mong laruin, kasi di ba mayroong comeback tomorrow na lang once na max out mo na. So kasi nga para siya sister game siya ni Pirate Captain. So kay Pirate Captain kasi medyo nawalan ako ng gana, pero tatry ko pa rin. So ayan guys, tapos na natin. So ayan, nakapag-check-in. So may additional na again. So I need to watch 10 advertisement and check-in for 10 days. So 15 plus 10, so 25 days nang mangyayari. So sorry, kasi pwede ko siyang gawin now. So buti na lang hindi ko muna pinapanood yung mga advertisement, and then hindi ko nga masyado ginagamit yung hint ko, diba? So doon lang kasi pwede ka makapanood ng so try ko pa rin, tapusin ko pa rin siya. And then may mali pala ako regarding sa invite guys. Ito yung sa invite, kapag nakatanong invite ka, meron kang advanced check-in pala siya. Sorry, mali yung pagkakasabi ko sa unang video ko na parang makadagdag or something. So ito pala is makakapag-advance ka. Kasi kay Pirate Cap, parang na-base ko siya kay Pirate Captain. Kay Pirate Captain kasi kailangan mo mag-invite bago ka maka-withdraw. So I thought ito kasi is yung tatlong invite mo is bago ka maka-withdraw. Pero hindi pala. So, yun pala is advanced check-in. So, kung gusto mo mabilis, you need to invite more, something like that. So, ang gagawin mo, pwede naman same device, but different IP address. Kasi kung same IP address yan, baka magkaroon ng problem. Okay, so ayan guys, sa pag mga ganyan, medyo, okay naman, kaya ko to, ito pa ulit-ulit na rin yan eh. Kaya lang, dahil nga kailangan ko kailangan ko manood ng video advertisement, pero check-in ko na rin the other one. So, but before we go to that, iaano ko muna to. I-withdraw ko muna siya sa aking Lazada. So, kay Pirate Captain, saglit lang. So, check natin kung saglit lang din siya. Kung paying pa to. Kasi si Pirate Captain paying. Kung si Pirate Captain is paying, I think Crazy Dog is paying pa din naman. Kasi same lang siya ng company and parang sister company nga siya. Kasi meron ditong option na parang you need to play Pirate Captain, something like that. So, parang iisa lang sila ng company. Kaya, or company developer, something like that. So, ayan guys. So, iano ko na lang kayo. I think kailangan ko ulit bumalik after 10 days. Baka kasi, dahil nga dati is, konti pa lang naglalaro. Especially yun yung mga advantage kapag unang-una ka pa lang. Kaka-release lang niya and then ikaw naglaro tapos nag-vlog ka pa, so pwede pag inano mo, so marami ka magkakaroon ng invites and something like that. So siguro yung mga pinakauna or yung mga una-una talaga is walang masyadong additional task na kailangan, and then ngayon kasi super dami na nga, kaya siguro ayan, we need to do another task. So let's see. Ayan guys, processing niya yung buti na lang sa withdrawal is may another video. So na-credit naman siya. So thankfully. So hindi ko pa nagagawa yung 5 na watch ads. Ayan na, successful withdrawal. So mabilis lang siya, 23 pesos. O, diba? Instead of 2,000, 23 pesos yung na-withdraw natin. So hindi natin tuloy na sure kung pwede bang sabay sila i-withdraw or once lang mamimili ka sa kanila, diba? So, I'll be back siguro after 10th day or within my 10th day, guys, kung para ma-check natin kung may additional pa or yun na yung pinakalas. Iniisip ko kasi kung ano pa bang kailangan additional, invite na naman, diba? Kasi pwede ka na mag-invite dun sa nila eh. So, ayan guys, dumating nga siya. So, mabilis lang. So, within sobrang saglit lang, nakuha na natin yung 23.27 pesos sa ating Lazada. So, ayan yung date. Na-receive ko siya within the day, guys. So, hindi naman siya umabot ng 7 days. So, still paying for naman si Crazy Dog. So, yung kinumpit ko, kapag lalaruin mo siya within the day, and then gagawin mo yung mga other tasks, yung watch ads videos, na 5, tapos yung 5 pang parang yung task nila, you can withdraw kay Crazy Dog every day ng 1 peso. Kasi abot siya ng 1,000 coins if I'm not mistaken, guys. So, to try ko again. And I'll update you once na ika-10th day ko again. So, parang 25th day ko. So, ayan guys. So, paying siya guys. Paying siya. So, nakuha naman natin yung 23. So, still legit paying siya. But we never know pa kung still makuha pa natin 2,000. Medyo malaki kasi. And then, this is a free app. I think, baka nagdagdag na sila dahil maraming ang bilis kasi, diba? Ang bilis na makakuha ng 2,000 for withdrawal. So, I think they need to do more tasks. And, I still believe na you can withdraw the 2,000. Kasi, same with Pirate Captain na marami ding mga kailangan na task before ka maka-withdraw pero na-withdraw mo, diba? So, something like that. And those, kasi wala naman siyang per level. Kasi kay Pirate Captain, he need to pay yung withdrawal, yung percentage of withdrawal, may per level siya. Kailangan mo matapos yung North, ganyan, diba? 420, something like that. So, medyo mahirap din, diba? So, I think, medyo papahirapan din tayo. Siguro yung mga una is super dali na nakuha dahil sila yung una eh. So, dahil ngayon madami na, syempre for free app, parang hindi naman siguro kakayanin nila mag-buy na kunyari sa 1 million na nag-download, naglaro, at ang bilis makakuha. So, sa ibang bagay naman, at least, still paying pa rin naman sila. But if nasa na yan guys kung gusto nyo ituloy or hindi na. But ako, tatry ko pa rin ituloy. Diba? Nandito na tayo eh. Natapos na natin yung 15 days. Diba? So try natin. Natapusin ko din tong 10th day. Or kung meron pa, isipin ko pa, i-check ko kay Pirate Captain, pero wala pa ako naisip na ano, unless yun nga, kasi kadalasan naman invite eh, you need to invite na ganito, diba? Pero kasi doon sa check-in, advanced check-in, pwede ka mag-invite na, parang optional lang yun, diba? But, ayan, so, thank you so much guys. So don't forget to join my giveaways guys sa aking 10,000 road to 10,000 giveaways. So 10 na mananalo na to, go 100 pesos, total of 1,000 pesos. And of course sa aking every video giveaway for 60 pesos, total of 60 pesos. So 3 winners naman nila dyan ng tigta 20. And stay tuned for more guys. Don't forget to ring the notification bell para malaman nyo ano pa yung mga upcoming giveaways na ipamimigay ko guys. So thank you so much to all of you. So until next time, goodbye. Let me know.